Hi everyone, welcome to part 2 of ServiceNow to Ansible Integration. In this video, we will see how to do setup on Ansible Tower Server and how to run playbooks. So to begin with, we will check for the presence of the key file, which is the SSH key file, which will be used by Ansible to log into the host server. Then we will update host file with the IP address and the key file location of the private key. Next we will check the playbooks, do a syntax check on the playbook and run the playbook. So we'll get started. We will first go to the location where the key files are stored and cd keys. So in this location we have stored the required key file, and next we will look at the host. So the host is a file which contains the information of the host on which the playbook will be executed. So you can see that there are different sections in this. So I made a new section called targets, and then I added this line. So server1 is the name of the host, and then this is the IP address and the location of the private key. Next we will look at the playbooks. The playbooks are located in this location. If you see here, there's a playbook called playbook.yaml. We'll look at this playbook. So what this playbook does is it's trying to remote into this into all the hosts with this user as Ubuntu, and then it will install Apache, and after that it will try to copy this index.html and config file from Ansible server to the host server. These files are located here, so you can see that index.html is here, and then vhost.tpl file is here. Now we'll do a syntax check on this playbook. So this will verify if the YAML file is correctly formatted. So you can see that there is no error, which means the format is correct. Then we will run the playbook. So while it is executing, it will show you the tasks which are being performed and on which server it is being performed. So you can see that server1 is the host that we have given, and it has performed all the tasks. It has installed, it has updated the apt, installed Apache, created custom document route, set up HTML file, set up Apache virtual host file. So it has done all of them. You can also see that nothing has failed, and there is OK and changed status. So now we will verify on the target server if Apache is running or not. So to do that, we will log into target server, and we will run a command called netstat. Here we can see that the server is listening on port 80, which means Apache is running. We can also try doing a restart to confirm that it is running correctly. So we run this command, and that will restart Apache. So you can see that it is starting Apache service. And after that, once you run the netstat again, you can see that we are listening on port 80. So that proves that Apache is running. So that is how we install Apache on a host server using Ansible. So let's do a quick recap. The first thing we did was we ensured that we had the required key files to log into the host or target server. Then we updated host file with the information such as IP address and the location of the key file, and then we have looked at the playbook to install Apache. We did the syntax check on the playbook, and then we ran the playbook. Then finally we verified that the playbook has executed successfully and it has installed Apache on the target server. Thank you for watching.